welcome to PacieIntheCity's morning breakfast channel.
Hi, Pacie.
Hi.
So today is Monday, June 29th.
Can you believe we're doing this so early?
Yeah, it's 7:47 in the morning, and you wanted pancakes for breakfast, right?
Yeah, and we decided to make a video.
Yep. And you wanted to show people your favorite all-time breakfast?
Yeah.
So this is batter that we made overnight, so that way it could be ready for the morning. And so Pacie, what I need you to do is to take this silver spoon here and just stir this up for just a tad bit, okay?
Okay, stir it. Stir it.
So why are pancakes your favorite breakfast?
Because you put my favorite on it.
What do we put on it?
Lots of Nutella.
Nutella, yes.
And some sprinkles, actually.
Okay, so then I'm going to take this olive oil spray and spray our pan here.
Oh my gosh.
So it won't stick, the pancake won't stick as it cooks.
Oh, that's a lot.
Okay, so what do we always need when you're near the stove?
A grown-up pair kids, don't do this at home. If you want to cook in 7 o'clock in the morning, you have to ask your parents. If your favorite breakfast is the same as mine, we can be twinsies.
You're so silly. Okay, so I'm going to turn it on.
And guys, be careful from the hot pan.
Yes, it is a hot pan. That's why Pacie is really far away from the stove, so that way Mommy can control it.
So how do you know, Mommy? Kids, did you know Mommy can tell and my daddy can tell which one's the back thing and the front thing?
Oh yeah, which ones to turn on correctly, right?
Yeah.
All right, so here we go. So we stirred up our pancake a little bit. Can you get the spatula ready, Pacie?
Spatula. I have a kid version, guys.
Yes, all right. So I'm just gonna take some of this batter.
Batter.
Okay, and
Can I try to flip it with the spatula?
pour it on the...
Try to make a Mickey one.
I'm gonna try to, Pacie.
Ooh, try to make a Minnie
So
one.
Pacie wants me to try to make a Mickey Mouse pancake.
Or a Minnie Mouse pancake.
Well, I can't really do that. So there's one ear.
It's kind of weird. A little bit. Remember you used to make...
And another ear. It's okay. It's a pretty okay looking there Mickey Mouse pancake,
you did
right?
it the wrong way.
It's okay.
We're trying to make the legs.
No, I'm doing really well.
Can I have two pancakes?
Let's do one first because we don't want to waste food, right? We don't waste food. There's a lot of starving children out there, right?
Okay. Kids, look
Okay.
at the popping.
So I usually wait till it gets all,
Poppy to pop.
yeah, little holes there. That means it's been cooked.
Okay, now
I'm going to lower my heat just a tad bit.
Can I help you with that?
And I'm going to try to flip this over.
Oh my gosh, don't break it.
I know, I'm going to try very hard not to break this Mickey Mouse pancake. Actually, I'm going to wait till this cooks more.
So, you're going to wait until you're ready.
Are you excited to eat your pancake this morning?
Yes, guys, look at this.
And that's Pacie's pancake plate. Hello, Kitty.
Hello, Willie.
And look at that! Mommy actually made a cool looking Mickey Mouse
It looks
pancake.
better from last year.
You know what? Don't criticize my cooking, silly head.
Well, your baking is really gooder.
My baking is better. Let's speak proper English, right?
Okay.
Can you say that again? Mommy's baking is better.
Then,
Very good.
what did I say the first time?
Gooder. Gooder is not a word. All right.
What's greater?
Greater means even more.
And what's cool? Can Peter Pan be a name?
Yeah, Peter Pan's a name. All right, so now we're gonna take this pancake
Careful.
and put it here,
Yummy.
and then
Can I help you put the nuts out?
so we put it on her plate.
Hello.
All right, and then did you want us to put the Nutella on it, Pacie?
Yes.
Okay.
Put the Nutella first of all.
Let's move over here. Move your
Okay.
step stool over here, buddy.
Guys, did you realize my step stool is a Minnie Mouse?
It looks like a Minnie Mouse.
Well, it doesn't have a Minnie Mouse
Okay.
face.
All right, so we're gonna get this favorite of Pacie's is Nutella.
And some sprinkles, of course.
And a little bit of sprinkles, okay.
Can I help you put the sprinkles in and get?
Yes.
And get the
Now we
knife?
got our toppings here for your pancake. I'm gonna hand you this knife. This is a butter knife, guys, so it's safe for Pacie to use. So
I hope you're not scared of butter knives.
all right, so just get a little bit of Nutella.
Then you can lick it after.
Scoop it out.
Then you can lick it after.
Yeah, okay. There we go. Wait. All right, now put it on your pancake.
Ooh, stay smooth.
Good job.
I'm so glad I get to. This is my first time putting Nutella on my own pan.
I know, because I usually do it for you, right?
Yeah, and you can lick it after. That's the secret part.
All right, you can take a little taste of. There you go. That's what she wanted, guys. All right, can I have that knife? Thank you.
It's so yummy.
All right. So put a little bit of sprinkles on there. Breakfast of Champions here. Just a tad bit, baby girl. There you go.
I'm gonna make them
A little bit more. That's enough.
eyes.
All righty, guys.
Did you realize I tried to make eyes?
Yes, I did. All right, Pacie's gonna go eat her breakfast now before it gets too cold. Everybody have a great day.
Oh, thank you everyone watching my video. Bye bye. Deuces. If you want to, Deuces, I hope you like this video. Do not do this without parents. Do it with your parents, okay? Like and subscribe. Click the bell, please. I hope you like my channels. Bye. Love you. Be safe. Stay home.